Welcome to Amsterdam, the busy city of Amsterdam. Look how busy the city is. Diyos ko po. Ayan o, doon pa sa unahan. It's so busy. That is where we're going to. The bike wharf. Gusto kong subukan yung restaurant sa rooftop ng The Wharf. Iniisip ko kasi na baka makakuha ako ng mas magagandang videos at pictures of the city kung nandoon ako sa rooftop. So tara, tingnan natin kung ano mga pagkain nila doon. They have a variety of options and different cuisines. Meron silang kimchi burger, meron ding caprese sandwich for $7.95. This is salmon. Don't fancy. The other side are just some grilled vegetables and some. Okay. Oh, here. Meatless Monday. Oh no. No. That's a bad luck for Craig. And here. Oh, here, babe. You can have this.
What?
You can have this. Grilled salmon. And some vegetables. Yeah. You want a coffee? Fancy any?
Not really.
Not really,
Fancy
Craig likes bagels and beans. Bagels and beans talaga ang nasa puso. Kaya nag-selfie na lang kami. And besides, wala naman talagang magandang view doon sa rooftop, which is my main concern kung bakit gusto kong pumunta doon. Kaya, we decided na lumabas na lang at pumunta sa Bagels and Beans. Doon mo naman talaga mararamdaman yung summer vibes in the city kapag nasa terrace ka sa baba. So, tara na. Konting pasilip lang muna sa sosyalang shopping center na ito. And that is Mama Bear's shop. Mama Bear, Tiffany and Company. This is Mama Bear's shop. It's so long cute. There's a long queue in Louis Vuitton.
Huh?
There's a long queue in Louis Vuitton. There must be something special. No? No, it's in Louis Vuitton.
I just in look like by herself.
Yeah. Okay. Samahan nyo kami maglakad papunta sa Bagels and Beans. Hindi ko lalagyan to ng background music para marinig nyo yung ingay ng city. Apart from the distinct smell of Amsterdam, mararamdaman nyo yung Amsterdam vibes.
Cash now is over. دول أهل الملايين. What do you want?
Huh?
What do you want?
I can have what did I have it?
I'm having the tuna.
I have the one with the sundae tomatoes.
Tomato?
Yeah.
You want 2 tuna melts?
Yeah, one quarter cappuccino and one quarter latte.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, you can. It's a video, babe. It's a video.
Video, yeah.
So you can say something in the vlog. You're just looking, or
something.
or just looking at the camera,
Ah,
looking at yourself in the video.
I'm sitting here chilling in
Yes.
by the side of the crack
Yeah.
with bagels and beans.
Yeah. This is our favorite
Spot.
spot for our snacks whenever we are here.
That way is lights are playing. Alright. And you have to visit the English shop.
Yeah.
Or the British shop when we get
The English shop after this. Okay. So, but for now, let's enjoy the view. This is going to be the view while we are enjoying our sandwich.
Kaiser class.
What did you have? Tuna melt.
Tuna melt. Yeah, that's Amsterdam life. You buy yourself a little board and you go to around there.
Where is it? It's cold here. Foggy. Okay, so the order is here. I'm having mushroom burger. Craig is having tuna melt. You don't like the capers. Huh? And coffee.
Yeah, in sauce it's nice, but just raw right out.
Yeah. Okay, so it's it's a video of it. Let's eat. Ang lamig. Ay, nice naman oh. Very sweet sila. Sila lang dalawa doon sa bangka. Nice. Yeah, hindi pa kami tapos kumain. Si Craig nag-check na kung hanggang anong oras ang open ng swirl. Nilalamig na kaya ako. I'm cold. Pag malapit ka kasi sa tubig, tas maano yung hangin, malamig. Tignan nyo naman ako dito, oh. Mukha na akong basang sisiw. Buti nilang meron na akong dalang ano. Meron akong dalang scarf. Lamig. Dutch summer can be cold in some days or in some parts of the day. So a warm scarf is essential when traveling. Let's seal the experience with a selfie. One with a bit of mischief, and another which is a bit more decent.
You don't see much, it's just a door and that's it. It's like a part of a warehouse.
Now we are off to the US and British shop.
Whatever one?
I want the ginger cake. I want the ginger cake and what else? We still have the gravy. Oxo, if they have.
Don't know if they have it. Hello.
Lots of English products. Next vending machine. This is what I like. The gahak stuff.
No, that's
Croquette. Somewhere over there. Okay. Just taking a video of it. I'm still full.
yeah.
That's the old police station, which is now a pub.
Pub and
Yeah, that's the old.
I don't know if that's a hotel above as well.
Ay. This is where we had our first anniversary drink in Light Supply.
So you're full for drinks.
I'm too full for drink.
Do you have a walk over and then we'll go across to
Yeah,
Saan
let's
first?
have a bit of walk, and then maybe we can come back here for a drink or another coffee.
We can go back to Starbucks and use our card. Only 2 kilometers from Central Station. So we can go here to the right, and that's we can go to the Rijksmuseum, which is that way.
We have been to Rijksmuseum before.
So we can go by the church and to Anne Frank's house, which is this way.
This to the right is to Anne Frank.
Yeah, well, you have
Anne Frank's.
Anne Frank.
Anne Frank's.
what's it called? It's Westerkerk, behind the Westerkerk is Anne Frank's house.
Babe, my bag. It's falling. It's falling. Falling doom. The house is from 1665.